It was a cold winter morning. The wind was strong, and everyone on the street walked quickly to stay warm. A young boy named Arjun waited for his school bus at the corner. He wore his old red scarf wrapped tightly around his neck. It was his favorite scarf because his mother had knitted it for him. As he waited, he noticed something near the bus stop. A small street dog sat there, shaking from the cold. Its fur was thin and it looked scared and hungry. The dog looked at Arjun with soft, hopeful eyes. Arjun felt sad for the dog. He touched his own scarf and thought for a moment. He was cold too, but the dog looked much colder. Slowly, Arjun walked toward the dog and knelt down. "It's okay," he whispered gently. The dog did not move. It only shivered. Arjun took off his warm red scarf and carefully placed it around the dog's neck. The dog stopped shaking and looked up at him. Its eyes became bright and its tail moved a little. Arjun smiled. "Stay warm," he said. Then his bus arrived and he got on. The next morning, Arjun walked to the bus stop again. He wondered if the dog was still around. When he reached the corner, he stopped in surprise. The dog was there, waiting for him. It still wore the red scarf. As soon as it saw Arjun, it stood up and wagged its tail happily. It walked in circles around him, as if saying thank you. Arjun felt warm inside, even without his scarf. For the rest of the winter, the dog waited for Arjun every morning. They became silent friends,